I'm Parath Nair, and we're making yuzu miso seaweed stir fry with salmon teriyaki. We have 1 carrot, two green onions, 1 leaf of lettuce, a half a pound of seaweed that needs to be washed, half a cup of shiitake mushrooms, olive oil. Don't mind the ginger paste; it's not needed. 1 tablespoon of teriyaki and 2 tablespoons of yuzu miso. Cut the veggies into tiny pieces so that they may easily be able to fry. Instead of copying what I'm doing in the video, you should put the lettuce on top of each other. After the seaweed is done being rinsed from all the salt that it was preserved in, roll it in a piece of cloth, and roll it in a piece of paper towel to dry it off of the water. Make sure to do it very precisely. Then put the cut up veggies into a bowl with the mushrooms, lettuce, green onions, and carrots, and make sure not to make a spill around. It can get a little messy. Make sure to toss the vegetables to make a salad, and add in 2 tablespoons of yuzu miso that can be found in your Asian supermarket. And mix the yuzu miso in with the salad. Mix it very thoroughly, and if the salad isn't feeling a little bit wet in your hands, then add half of a tablespoon more. So you put on salt and pepper across the plate for the salmon, which we are going to make, and we then put it around. Then we flip the salmon around to make sure that everywhere gets the pepper and the salt everywhere. To put it around there like that, and you just gotta put it everywhere on it. Don't leave a single space. Make sure it's well seasoned. Then for the teriyaki. Let's see. So you then poke in tiny holes with a fork onto the salmon so that the teriyaki can easily slide in. Add only 1 tablespoon of teriyaki onto it so that you can marinate it. Spread it all over the salmon. Don't leave a single spot unmarinated. You just put it everywhere. Make sure to keep it put it marinated for the saucepan, for the pan, and also after you're done coating the pan with sesame oil and it's bubbling, put on the seaweed and make sure to split it around to have it heated up. Then add in the vegetables and put it alongside the seaweed. If it doesn't have a smell of that it used to smell before getting cooked, then it's cooked. Then after putting away the vegetables, then clean the pan, put some new fresh sesame oil onto it, and then heat it up and put the salmon there. Remember that the salmon must be covered with a heating cover, like a lid. The pan must be covered with a lid when cooking the salmon, and it must be flipped around for for multiple times to make sure that it doesn't overheat, that it doesn't overcook, and stick to the pan. As it's finally nicely pan fried, you put it onto it on a pan alongside with the salad that you put with the same pan that you put your salad with. And then it's fine, but the meal isn't finished yet. It's not finished yet, so you might want a little crunchiness into it. You might want to try taking out the burnt pieces of the back, and also you might also want to take out the skin of part of the fish, like the skin on it. Yeah, that'd be a good idea. If you want to just not have, if you don't like the skin taste. You can also add peanuts to the salad to give it a crunch. Peanuts do pretty good. The seaweed peanuts do pretty well. And enjoy!